Hey, it's your girl Booya and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be swatching and reviewing yung semi-matte multi-use paint ni Letisha. Ayan, comment down below kung sino dito yung mga nanonood sa vlogs ni Letisha. Also, ito yung collaboration niya with Frida Cosmetics. So tingnan natin if worth it invest yung pera nyo dito. Alright, so the first shade that I swatched was the shade Leti. By the way, I'm rating the shades from 1 to 5, 1 being the lowest score and 5 being the highest. Yung Leti ay parang soft strawberry brick siya na shade. That's how I would describe it best. Pero yung description nila sa kanilang PR kit is, yung shade daw nito is a natural color whether you're going for a no makeup look or a dark smoky eye. It adds a natural wash of color to perk up your overall complexion. Personally, for me, I wouldn't label this necessarily as a no makeup look because medyo bold yung color na to. And even though you use a little amount of product, medyo bold pa siya. So, I wouldn't necessarily say it's a no makeup look, but it is a good shade. For my personal preference, hindi ko siya bet yung mga gantong shade. So, I'm gonna give the shade a 2, but I'm pretty sure this is the kind of shade that most morenas would be attracted to. Also, mention ko lang real quick na ang cute ng shade name nila kasi tatlo yung shades na available sa kanilang semi-matte multi-paint. And yung shade names nila ay Letisha Velasco. Ang cute-cute lang. Natutuwa ako. So that said, let's proceed to the next shade. And yung next shade ay Sha. So the shade that I just swatched was the shade Sha. And I love these kinds of shade kasi it's a deep chocolatey kind of brown. Mapili ako sa brown, guys. But kapag yung brown ay parang chocolatey or basta deep siya na kind of brown, bet ko yun. So I'm gonna not necessarily give it a 5, but I'm gonna give it a 4. Browns are not usually the kind of shade that I would grab. But kapag chocolate brown, mataas yung score yun sa akin. Alright, so yung last shade naman is the shade Velasco. And eto yung burnt red shade naman nila. And I'm actually wearing it right now. And to be honest, hindi naman siya ganun ka-bold. Hindi siya vibrant red. Hindi siya intimidating red. So if you're a beginner when it comes to red shades and you're still exploring, you're going out of your comfort zone and you want to try red shades, this is the kind of red that I would recommend to beginners. Kasi it's not that bright, not that vibrant, not that intimidating, and parang toned down pa siya na kind of red, medyo grounded pa siya. So yan, if beginner ka, this is for you. Before tayo mag-proceed sa discussion ng claims nila regarding their products, if you have any makeup or beauty questions that you have for me, you can always message me on my Instagram account. It's @makeupbybooya. My DM is open 24/7 for any beauty questions that you have for me. Also, if you want to be a part of the Boo Fam, meron kaming Facebook group and a Discord server. So sa Facebook group, mainly beauty yung topics doon. Pero sa Discord server naman, we play games there. Mostly Among Us yung nilalaro namin doon. So if you want to join in the fun, be part of the community, yung links to those groups will be in the description box below. Lastly, a little disclaimer lang that some of the links in the description box below are affiliate links which means I may earn a small commission when you buy products through those links. And that commission will really help sustain and grow this channel. So if you like my content and you want to support it, so that is one way to enable me to keep producing videos for this channel. Alright, so I'm gonna be basing off their claims sa kanilang PR, and meron ditong 8 major claims. For their first claim na weightless, I definitely agree na weightless naman siya. It feels like yung Swatch Cosmetics na multi-use mousse. Parang ganun siya yung vibe niya. Next claim nila is blendable. I absolutely agree na blendable naman siya. Yung blendability niya, pwede siya as a tint or pwede siya as a liquid lipstick. So, napaka-versatile niya talaga. And you can really maximize your use regarding this product because you can get a different kind of look. Kasi pwede mo siyang matone down, pwede siyang napaka-nipis lang yung application, and pwede din napaka-thick na application kagaya nito. Next claim nila is highly pigmented daw yung color payoff, and I definitely agree. You can see naman na the color payoff is really good. Before ako mag-proceed sa iba pang claims, medyo na-confuse lang ako kung anong type of product to. Multi-use mousse ba or multi-use velvet tint? Kasi yung sabi lang dito, it's a semi-matte multi-paint. So, a paint can be anything. So, for me, medyo vague yung term na paint. And sana, nag-specify na lang sila kung ano talaga yung type of product na to so that we know agad kung ano yung use ng product, ano yung performance na we can expect from the product. Next claim nila is easy to glide. I definitely agree na easy to glide siya. And by the way, yung applicator niya is a regular doe foot applicator for those who are wondering. Next claim is non-drying. I definitely agree also. And leaves a semi-matte finish. Agree. Next claim, it offers long-term protection and nourishment sa lips. And I'm gonna agree because hindi siya yung kind of lippy na dina-dry out niya yung lip or nag-hug or makes lip creases or emphasizes the lip creases. And lastly, universally flattering daw yung shade range nila. And I definitely agree, although mostly on the deep side siya. By the way, if you're wondering if nagsaset yung product na to and if it's mask-proof, I would have to say it's not mask-proof kasi di siya nagsiset. Parang, yan. Kanina ko pa sinusuot yung lippy na to and nagta-transfer talaga siya. Ayan, so that is something to note lang if you're planning to buy this product. So that's it for this review. If you find this video helpful, then please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. And again, if meron kayong makeup or beauty questions that you have for me, you can always message me on my Instagram account. It's at Booya. My DM is open 24/7 for any beauty questions that you have for me. If you have any more video suggestions for me, then don't be shy to comment them down in the comment section below. Just remember, no hate, just love.